Hey guys, 413 Open Air, thanks for tuning in again. We are going to show you how we pack for our overnight canoe floats. This is not anything that works for everybody, it's what works for us. So you can take it for what it's worth, and if you like it, go with it. If not, just do what you want to do. So just thought maybe some helpful hints, and that way you don't forget something you may forget. So stay tuned, we're going to show you what we bring. All right, here we go. So as we learned from previous adventures, we are bringing extra batteries this time for our cameras. And then we're gonna bring our GoPro this time, our waterproof cases. Always gotta bring the Wonder Boom to have some sound. Flashlight, got some sunblock off. Got our Sawyer water filter that, hey, Sawyer, how about that? So I think if you watched a previous video with our lower Rock Creek hike, we ran out of water. We're not going to do that again. So always bring the trusty slingshot to have a little fun on the side of the river. Got a little backpack to put all of our stuff in. Got our camera gear. Got our rain pants in there. Got our Leatherman tool. Got our toiletries here. Got our toothbrush, retainers. Got some TP, moleskin. Doubt we'll need that on the river, but it's already packed. So and just to kind of let you guys know, this TP right here, it comes in these MREs. Those work really good for fire starters too, so it's kind of thin for anything else. Got some iodine tablets, a lighter. Got our first aid kit there. Got our headlamps. Got a kind of a little survival rope type thing, and a whistle and compass. Got our compass. And food-wise, this is what we do. This is what works for us, like I said earlier. So got a couple bottles of water, got some cheese sticks, some deer sticks, deer jerky, deer brats. Got some drinks down there. Got some PB&J made. All right, we got our trusty Rusty Nail Stanley thermos. Gonna fill that up with coffee, a coffee cup, mustard for our brats. Got some PB&J already made up. Just in case we get to the campsite, it is a 50 to 60% chance of rain tonight. We may need some other stuff if we can't start a fire. So we got some yucky Vienna sausages and some Spam potted meat. Yuck, but may fill our belly if we're hungry. Breakfast is like Cliff Bars and little quick grab and go stuff and get in the water. That way we can get our lines wet and catch a fish. Over here, got a little change of clothes. Always bring a pair of shoes to kind of put in when we get to the camp. It always feels good to have your feet dry. Extra pair of clothes, extra pair of swim trunks. A fishing hat. Got our sleeping bag there. Sawyer sleeping bag. Got our rain coats or jackets, I should say. And then Sawyer's got his slip-on for the camp site. Got our waterproof bag there, a new one. We're going to try that out. It's pretty big. And then this blue one over here is our older waterproof bag. We may use that still. I don't know. Depends upon when we get everything packed up. Let's go outside and see what else we got. All right, what we got here is our life vests. So we're going to wear those today. We use charcoal to start a fire and cook our food with, and then we got a good base to kind of get a fire. We do bring a little bit of kindling, and typically you find some wood on the side of the river if it's not too wet. Got our paper there and our lighter. Of course, fishing poles, got to bring those, tackle box, got some water. We are bringing our small tent today. Hopefully it keeps us dry. And then got our sleeping pads that we just got. And then our newer waterproof bag. So it's already got our clothes and our sleeping bags in it. So hopefully that helps and helps you guys pack. Like I said, this is not for everybody. It's what works for us. So if it works for you, great. Use it. Stay tuned. We're going to have some more adventures. We're getting ready to leave. 413 Open Air. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Thanks.